Hi guys, it's Ray. We are starting a new cup today. Welcome to Ink Week. The goal for Ink Week is 2 cups a day, every day for the week. Whether I'll achieve that 14 cups or not, I don't know. But that is the goal. This is going to be the first cup. This is a special cup. This is actually a 20-ounce skinny sublimation green glow cup from Makerflow. I believe the boxes also glow in the dark, but this is a green cup. We're going to start out with a Waterfall Ink because it's one of my favorite techniques. We're also going to be using one of my newer products, the Resin alcohol ink set they sent me, because it has a gold, which I'm going to have to shake very thoroughly. It has fluorescent yellow, vivid green, the regular yellow, and the turquoise green. Plus they have a colorless blender of their own. I don't know if their blender has a tiny bit of resin in it or not, or if it's just more alcohol. So I'm going to experiment with that. And I have some regular alcohol in a small bottle, and of course my large bottle of alcohol. So this is going to repel this no matter what I do without sanding the surface. So I think we're going to regroup and do these inks as a waterfall, but we're going to do them on a plain painted surface. Experiment 1, fail. Okay, so this is a regular surface cup. Let's do this one. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more alcohol on it. Now I just have this all the same color green here in my pan, so that other cup will still be used. We'll pull that back out and do a different technique on it. Have no fear about that. I should be able to pick up some of this gold off the surface, I think. Maybe not. If you know me and my style at all, you know I refuse to quit on a cup or an idea. I still want to do these colors as a waterfall, just for something different. And I don't have any idea what we're going to put on this cup. I have a feeling this gold is going to go a long ways. Hopefully it's not already starting to settle. I need to find some BBs to put in this gold and their whites, and this is the blender. I think I want to do a little bit more of the fluorescent yellow before I put any heat to this. Maybe a drop of the blender down the side. I do have a coupon code for the Let's Resin inks. I will get that in the link below. I'll put my Makerflow link in the description. Now with these cups, I sometimes repeat this whole process 3-4 times until I get what I'm truly after. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to continue building and layering color until I am satisfied. Okay, so I'm going to leave that alone. I want to get this out of the way because, well, maybe I can just stick this underneath for now so you can get a better look. I think it's pretty cool. It's got a lot of depth and dimension to it. So I'm going to let this dry thoroughly. We're going to get some resin on it. In the meantime, what I'm going to do for the second cup today is I'm going to wipe that other one back off, and we're going to do a swirl with the epoxy method using the same colors, which kind of means we're actually going to end up repeating a cup because I'd already planned to do one with blue and purple on the blue glow, but it'll be fine. Plans are flexible, so I will be back when I'm ready to get the epoxy on. Okay, so this one is dry and ready for epoxy. I decided what I'm going to decal this one with. So, I'll show you that. I'm going to use this Clear Cast Decal. I mostly Peace, Love, and Light and a little Go F Yourself with the little symbols instead of the word. I think this is going to be really cute on this, and it's soft and subtle. So this is going to require a white ink spot for me to put this over. So after this first coat of resin ends up dry, we will go on to that. I kind of think I want a tiny bit of gold, so I'm going to use a tiny bit of my honey gold diamond dust. This one you will see color from, but I mean, I'm talking a tiny bit. I'm probably not even going to put all of that in, just to give it a little extra gold. Okay, so we are ready to get the decal on this. It might still be slightly tacky, but it should be fine. I'm going to go ahead and trim this down because I'm going to go straight over the spray paint. So I'll probably show a little bit of an edge, but we're going to add a little bit more of that gold to this. So it'll be fine. So that'll be fine. Just kind of trying to get an idea of where it's going to sit. Now this spray paint might be soft enough to do this with alcohol, or I might need to go to the acetone. I have both handy. But I'm just going to put some on a rag. It can be a paper towel or a little piece of t-shirt or whatever. And I'm going to clean this up. All of the overspray that I don't want. That should be good. I'm just going to let that alcohol evaporate real quick and I will be right back. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get our decal on. I'm My hands are a mess, so I'm going to try not to touch the back of the decal if I can avoid it. And hopefully that's where I need it, because you only get one chance. Perfect. Phew. So now if you wanted to, you could clean up more, and I may bring this up just a hair. I'm gonna rub it down a little bit more. I almost went off my weight on that side. Almost. I got it. So I'm gonna grab another towel and get a little bit more alcohol. I'm just going to kind of uneven it a little bit more. Uneven it? I don't even think that's a thing, but... Alright, so I'm going to get this over and get a coat of epoxy on it, and that'll be it. Okay, I am ready to get the resin on this one. I'm going to put the tiniest, tiny little bit of the honey gold diamond dust in here. I mean, like, tiniest little corner. Okay, so that the perfect amount of shimmer on this decal. I love it. I am really happy with this one, even though it didn't go as planned, but that's okay. Things happen, and you just have to roll with it. So, that is it for this one. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in all week, because every day will be ink cups.